Here I have TOSCIDO M863, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So to turn off all your running apps, firstly you have to tap on the recent button to access recent section. Here you can see all of these opened apps which you don't use right now, for example, and if you want to close them all at once, just tap clear all button. And as you can see now, I have all these apps turned off. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.